Hey, it's Linda and Charles with Fun-Loving Couples. We are at the McClellan Airport in
McClellan Palomar Airport
in Carlsbad, taking our first CalJet flight to Vegas.
Is this a private jet?
It's a
semi-private.
Semi-private. So,
but look at this. Here's the thing. Look at this. There's no angry parking
TSA or whatever.
Traffic folks outside telling you got 30 seconds to park and get out. Matter of fact, there's no one out here. It's already calm and collected. It's already enjoyable.
We're already in Zen. So we have a surprise. So stay tuned. Hey, it's Linda and Charles with Fun-Loving Couples. Today we have the pleasure and honor to talk to George Wozniak, president of CalJet. So thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to talk with Fun-Loving Couples about this amazing airline.
It's been fun to put this whole thing together too, and it took about 4 years to get through all the regulatory process of being able to fly out of this wonderful airport. And I think that's where this really starts. That there's an airport that sits between Orange County and downtown San Diego's Lindbergh Field that has all the amenities of a major airport, but none of the crowds. And we're the first jet service to ever operate out of this airport, and it has full TSA, it has customs and immigration. But when you start and you look at the whole process of getting here, which I think you've experienced a little bit this morning, you drive up. Where do they have 15-minute free parking right in front? And then if you park in the actual lots, it's $5 a day, which is unheard of anywhere in the country. But because we're the only airline flying out of here, TSA is quick. They smile, which is not that doesn't happen at other places in the country, but they're very happy to work here. And then from the time you check in to get on the airplane, it's almost as close to flying private as I think you can get. So we're excited about the opportunity to fly out of here to begin with, and especially for the North County people. You don't have to do that drive, and you don't have to do all those other things. And then Las Vegas is our first destination. In December, we're going to start Phoenix and Oakland, again on a schedule, 2 flights a day. And then we'll have Sacramento and San Jose and Cabo San Lucas in the first quarter. So,
nice.
Yeah.
Amazing. So when we actually, our son dropped us off, we pulled up, 2 seconds, get out, get in line, got to meet Valerie?
Yes, yeah.
Lovely. I mean, lovely experience, super easy. Checked our bag, went to the restaurant, had breakfast, and TSA was a breeze. I mean,
Hey, TSA was enjoyable. Come on.
They really are having lots of fun working here. And as soon as they came back, they said, listen, we have a choice to drive downtown or come here or closer. And it's just, I mean, the whole experience, they built this airport in 2006 at the worst time you could possibly upgrade a facility. And so they had this diamond waiting, and we happened to be lucky enough to see the opportunity. We went to the airport and said, what will you allow us to do? Not here's what we want to do. And that seemed to work a lot better. And then, with the FAA and the TSA and the DOT and all the regulatory branches, they liked what the whole program seemed to move into, and so everybody cooperated and we got it done. So it was a real group effort.
wow. We're super impressed. And so you guys definitely have to check it out, especially all the San Diegans and the North County folks.
Our airfares are competitive to any airline flying out of Orange County or Lindbergh. So, we start at $69 one way, and we have lots of availability. So please give us a try.
Absolutely.
17 people on our flight today. Holds what, 70?
It holds 70. We're flying CRJ 700s, and so they're big jets. I mean, you get on this plane, it looks like a little mini 737.
There's the jet behind us.
Can't wait. So we'll be posting a lot of pictures as well.
Good.
Terrible.